Hiding those messy wiring harnesses has never been easier, thanks to Brightsource Wiring Concealer. Start by cleaning your surface with the included alcohol wipe. That's your foundation for a perfect install. Next, measure out your concealer, cut it to length, and feed your wires through. Smooth, simple, and satisfying. Now grab the 3M adhesive strip. Peel, stick, and press firmly along the surface. In minutes, you'll turn a tangled mess into a clean, professional look that's built to last. Brightsource Wiring Concealer. Clean installs made easy, and your ride looking better than ever.